Hello and welcome. This is the Casio LA-680 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. First setting is done without entering the settings menu, and that is switching between 12 or 24-hour time format. That is done by pressing the upper left button, and you can see that the watch is shuffling between 12 or 24-hour time format. That is also indicated when the watch is in the PM region by the PM indicator over here and 24-hour indicator for 24-hour time format. Now let's enter the settings menu. Press the lower left button once, twice, 3 times, and when the seconds are flashing, that means that we are in the position of setting our seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them to 0 by simply pressing the upper left button. Now, once we have set our seconds, I'm going to press the lower right button and we move on to setting our hour value. Press the upper left button to shuffle the hour value to the designated time you want. Next up, press the lower right button again, and now we are setting our minutes value. You can set the minutes value by pressing the upper left button, and to engage fast scrolling, just press and hold the same button over here. Once you've set your minutes value, press the lower right button again, and now we are in the position of setting our month. Again, by pressing the upper left button, you are shuffling your month value to your designated month from the range of 1 to 12. 10 stands for October. Now press the lower right button and we are setting our day value. Again, procedure is the same. Press the upper left button to shuffle your day value. Once you're done with that, press the lower right button again and we move on to setting our day of the week value. Press the upper left button to shuffle between days of the week until you get it to your day of the week in English. Once you're done with that, press the lower right button and we are back at the beginning and the seconds are flashing, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the lower left button, the watch will beep, and all of those settings that we have just ran through are now complete. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.